Good evening, everybody. This is Zachary Crossman, Mobile Interfaces and Usability 0913 or 1309. Okay, so to be honest, for those of you who are watching this, not the teacher, I failed this class once before. I'm just going to go ahead and throw that out front. So I went ahead and started working with my project, so that I could, because I'm having trouble with the jQuery at the end making the form work correctly. But as you can see, I decided to go with the search and then the feature page, making sure I put the search up here up top, and then the company's products right here, and then this will include a link of your favorite products, which I'll fill in later. The company's about page and the company's newsfeed page when I fill in later. Click into the product page. That I'm going to fill in some products here so it looks visually pretty. And then you go on to the shipping form, and since I'm redoing this class and I can't use my last one that I was in the middle of, I went ahead and created my form and everything so that I could start working on my form validation. As you can see, it's just a shipping form. Your name, first name, last name, address, city, state, and the zip code. State opens up to its own pop-out box, and then you can see it's got some radio buttons down here, which you shouldn't be able to click both of those. I'm kind of not happy with that. As you can see, the reset works, and then you can choose a day, which I think I'm going to change that to a drop-down menu instead of check boxes. I was just trying to include everything in it, and I can't get the back button to come up. I'm going to have to ask about that. Everywhere else the back button works. You click the favorite page, takes you, you get the back, you know what I mean. But hey, we're working on it. I'll figure those things out over the next couple weeks as I make things a little more pleasing and make everything work correctly. Also, look for my bronze app to come out next week, which will feature a different design scheme. And then there will be there will include a link in here to the bronze app, so you can go check out the bronze app yourself too. My aha moment this week was during my shipping form. The state box here was kind of an aha moment for me. I like how that works actually quite a bit, rather than having a drop down or a scroll menu or something like that, or just having it listed like the check boxes. Like I said, I think I'm gonna go back and fix that. I spelled delivery wrong, but I'll go back and I'll be able to change those. Oh, and I need to capitalize some of the things in here too, but you get my point here. Yeah, I didn't really get into the JavaScript this week because, like I said, I want to figure out doing the form validation and everything else, but that's later on in the class. But I want to have buku time to figure it out, because that is where I keep messing up, and why I failed this class last time is because I couldn't figure it out and I got frustrated and my work didn't get turned in on time. So this month I'm really going to work to make sure everything gets turned in on time. I'm getting a little long on the video here, so I appreciate you watching, and thank you. Check me out again next week.